Hi everyone, my name is Advocate Rahul Kumar Singh. Uh, we'll be discussing about affidavits. So affidavit basically is a written statement. Okay, and written statement is for the affidavit. You can say that it is affidavit means what everything you are sworn in means you are promising something based upon your personal information or personal knowledge. So there is a court proceedings, and you cannot say anything. You have to declare that as your promise by in a stamp paper. And there are two types of affidavit. One is before the executive magistrate, one is before the notary. Depending upon the situation, you have to promise that. And interesting thing is that affidavit is treated as a evidence in a court of law. So person will give an affidavit, declare the statement that the person knows is true as per the person's knowledge, and the person will sign. Okay, and the signatures is kept as a witness. Okay, so even the lawyer becomes witness as because the lawyer is signing. Okay, so first point you also should know as because appearance are important. Now the affidavit is being in a series means it is a numbered. You can write in paragraph also. You can write in number also 1, 2, 3, 4 like in this point. So there must be relation between the points. Okay, and then in appearance you should also include this, that the impressions are important. Means you are making a your area very wide. Okay, so that you can include more points as per you know. And don't use bold points in between. In headings you can use the bold points, but don't include bold points everywhere, so that it destroys the order. Then you should know that the reader should write in such a way that readers should follow whatever you are writing. It shouldn't be that introduction is somewhere, conclusion is at the middle. It shouldn't be like that. Work should be organized in an organized manner. So appearance is important. And second point is that you should introduce yourself. Means the name should be there, address should be there, your occupation should be there, what profession are you practicing. Okay, and you should also use the paragraph. You can use in the paragraph also. Okay, so if you are not using the paragraph, you can write in 1, 2, 3, 4 points also. There is no issue about that. Okay, and introduction you can also use family situation depending upon the affidavit. What to know about the family, what are the qualifications. Okay, so this was the second point, means introducing yourself. Third point is that you should write in a first person. Now, what is first person? First person means use these words like I, me, my. So these are information should be there, as because court proceedings are important from the case to case. So if you introduce the first person, confusion chances are less. Okay, and you should ask questions about the content. Means what contents are there, what is not there. So these all should be important. Okay, and because the first person is important. Why is first person important? First person is important as because without the first person you will not know the anything. Okay, so first person becomes important so that there will not be confusion, as because if you use somebody's name and the person is name, suppose you are using person name for example A, and there is one more person by the same name, so they can create a confusion in that. Okay, so you should use first persons to avoid confusions. Okay, fourth point, you should keep simple as possible. Okay, facts will be used in a simple terms, like you read the newspaper. Even the person who has problems with certain languages, they can also understand something. So your affidavits be such that this will be simple in a chronological order. Means it is very much organized. Don't use difficult words. Use simple languages, simple words, which gives clear meaning, clear understanding, and it is easier for the user and the readers to understand that. Okay, and simple language is very much important, and relevant informations must be there. Irrelevant information shouldn't be there. Okay, sixth point is that don't guess. Guessing information are not good. Okay, so guessing information are not good as because on guess your promises will not work. You should be sure what you know, what you don't know. Okay, so information must be sure. So information, guess information shouldn't be there. Okay, then we are going to 7 number point, that is be specific about the conversation. That's because in affidavit you cannot elaborate the story more and more and more. There must be certain point on which the information should stop. So be specific. Information is specific, and then use the words which are related to your affidavit. Means suppose you are drafting a name change affidavit, then information should be of name change. It shouldn't be of some other things. Otherwise, that will create unnecessary information. So specific information is needed. Eight is that be specific about timing and frequency. Timing and frequency means at what time, at what things has happened. You should mention the chronology in a proper manner, so that specific information must be there, and what has happened must be in a proper arrangement when in writing the affidavit. 9 point is that the information must be factual and you shouldn't be emotional. As because why to be emotional? The information will be on facts, issues. Okay, so relevant information is important. You should be on fact, not on emotions. Okay, and the documents which you are giving must be proper to support as a supportive evidence. Like if you are wanting to change name, on what information you are about to change name, which documents you are giving to support that that name was there or that is mistaken. So for example, I gave the name change affidavit. You can include anything. So the documents which you are supporting must be also be mentioned in the affidavit, as well as the document must be in your control whichever you are having. Okay, so this was on affidavit. I need your support. You can like, share and subscribe. Okay, and with your support, let's grow together. Thank you for listening and watching. Take care. Bye bye.